Ducati India has revealed that the Ducati Panigale V2 will be launched in the country on the 26th of August 2020. The Panigale V2 will be the first Bharat Stage 6 compliant Ducati motorcycle to be launched in India. It will replace the Panigale 959 and borrows design inspiration from the more powerful Panigale V4. The fairing has been redesigned though, and the headlamp cluster has been slightly tweaked. The other substantial change is that the Panigale V2 now gets a single-sided swing arm like the Panigale V4, while the Panigale 959 used a conventional swing arm. The Ducati Panigale V2 draws power from the 955cc Super Quattro L-twin motor that develops 155 brake horsepower at 10,750 rpm and peak torque of 104 Nm at 9,000 rpm. The motorcycle has a dry weight of 176 kilograms, which means that the power to weight ratio will be incredible. The Panigale V2 also gets a comprehensive electronics package including a 6-axis IMU, traction control, wheelie control and cornering ABS. There is a bi-directional quick shifter along with engine braking control. The bike will come with 3 riding modes: race, sport and street. Audi India has rolled out its new Ready to Drive service campaign that brings a host of features and benefits for its customers. Under the new service campaign, customers can avail a 20% discount on brake pads, brake discs and sensors, as well as a 10% discount on Audi genuine accessories, Audi collection and merchandise for all models. The discount also extends to purchases made on the company's virtual store. Customers can also avail savings up to 50% on the My Audi Connect dongle on select vehicles in the range. Furthermore, Audi is offering savings up to 20% on availing extended warranty, service plans, and the comprehensive service value package. For cars older than 5 years, customers will be eligible for a complimentary loop service. Customers will need to get in touch with the nearest authorized dealership to avail all the benefits of the campaign, while the campaign begins from the 17th of August and will continue until September 30th this year. Triumph Motorcycles India has launched the BS6 compliant Bonneville range in the country. The British bike maker has introduced the updated Speedmaster and Street Twin motorcycles that now meet the new emission standards. The Triumph Speedmaster BS6 is priced from 11,34,000 rupees, while prices for the Triumph Street Twin BS6 start from 7,45,000 rupees. All prices are ex-showroom Delhi. Prices for the BS6 Bonneville range remain identical to the BS4 models, but we believe that these are introductory prices and will be raised in the future. The Speedmaster continues to draw power from the 1200cc high torque parallel twin engine that makes 78 brake horsepower and 107 Nm of peak torque. The motor is paired with a 6-speed transmission. Compared to the BS4 model, the power output goes up by 2 brake horsepower and torque goes up by 1 Nm. With respect to the BS6 compliant Street Twin, the motorcycle uses the same 900cc parallel twin engine that develops 65 brake horsepower and 80 Nm of peak torque. Those are identical numbers to the BS4 model. The engine continues to be paired with a 5-speed gearbox. Both bikes come with multiple riding modes, ABS and traction control as standard.
Everything that's hot, new, exciting and relevant for you from the automobile world is on our Car and Bike channel. Don't forget to subscribe.